Hey there. I wanted to show you how to add like a second line on your, um, chart here in Google, whatever, Google Excel. I forget what it's called. Google Sheets. Um, so we have the first line, and then we can add. So this is the way I figured out how to do it. I don't know if this is the only way, but first up here, so like we have the data ranges for the like the this is going to be the x-axis and the y-axis. So I'm going to first add another range here. Um, I'm going to say B1 to B1000. So that's going to be this column. And that doesn't do anything yet. But then if we go down here and click Add Series, um, that column will show up down here. And notice, like, if I take this away, then if I go and click Add Series here, that alley series is not there anymore. So first I add the series here, and then I go down here and it pops up. And then I click that, and I'm able to get this second line here, and I can probably add some labels here. Yeah, there we go. So then we get both lines. So that's how you can add a second line on your line chart. Very kind of counterintuitive to have to do two things like that. But anyway, it worked for me. So yeah, hope that helped. All right, bye.